How to link Amazon Associates to Payoneer. The very first thing you want to do is to make sure that you are logged into your Amazon Associates account. Once you are logged in, tap on Settings at the top right corner. Head over to Account Information. Inside Payment Information, click on Deposit Method. Select the specific country. Click on Replace Deposit Method. Inside Bank Account, click on Add New Deposit Method. Now enter the bank location, account holder's name, 9-digit routing number, bank account number, and also retype your bank account number. Once you are done, tap on Save. Now click on Receive. Over here, look into the details of your specific country. Here you can see the Amazon Associates account has been linked to Payoneer. And this is simply how it's done. So that's all for today, and this was a tutorial on how to link Amazon Associate account with Payoneer. I really hope this video can be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any queries, you can drop it down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching it till the end.